Hey, good morning, traders, and welcome to the next way trading. My name is Lester. Today, I'm gonna share with you these results that I have with my trading session using the broker pocket option. And I'm gonna try to record this type of videos when or where I'm gonna share with you step by step all my trades and explain why I'm taking this trade. All showed you all the moves that I take it before to take it a good trade or having a good session with binary options. So let's rock with this video. So guys, this is my first trade taken today with this broker pocket option using my strategy and all the process that I always share with you, how I did it, why I take that decision, the indicators that I use. And this is my latest results. Let's go to hide this. And the way that I like to trade always is using this strategy for binary options. Someone are copying my trades right now. Look at this. I'm here. I'm earning $925. So I on the first places right now with pocket option. Let's go to see how ending this trade. The market right now looking good. It's stable. So I prefer trade taking a few trades and see how ending this. Oh, that was a good luck. Yes, I have profit. So let's go to change my amount. I'm gonna start trading with $1,000. It's risky. All the time is risk. Again, me here. Right now, 7 traders are copying my trades. Right now. So let's go to see how many ending to copy my trades. And I hope so. I don't know, earning money for me and for them too. So this is the process. If you want to copy my trades, you need to write to me on my Discord channel. There, my team is gonna help you to explain how you can copy my trades. But if you want to trade along with this strategy, let's go to explain how to trade with this true strategy for binary options. So basically, I trading using the stochastic oscillator, using the RSI, and using the Bollinger Bands too. I'm gonna follow the stochastic oscillator blue line inside. So it really helps you this green candle don't jump too much. Stay there. I'm trading with $1,000 and stay there. So we have profits just today with this strategy for binary options, and for those are copying my trades, earning almost $1,600. Well, me, I don't know then. They, if you are copying my trade with the 100% of the balance, I don't know. But this is a good results for me today. If you want to copy my trades, you need to have a few things here. You have to subscribe on my channel. This is it's so important. You need to follow me in Discord too. And there, my team is going to explain how you can copy my trades. And I'm going to share with you my results in my trades too. But if you want to copy this strategy, just like I said before, remember using the stochastic oscillator, the Bollinger Bands. This is the settings for the Bollinger Bands. Okay? This is the settings for the stochastic, and this is the period for the RSI indicator. So with these 3 indicators, all you have to do is, for example, in this case, maybe it's a good opportunity to trade for a call. What I'm waiting for? Well, I'm waiting for a good candlestick telling me it's gonna change the direction only in a few minutes. I don't care if it only changed for a few minutes. It's all I need for me. So the stochastic oscillator need to change to going up the direction, and the RSI too. So with this and the Bollinger Bands too is having the extremes too here, is a good signal for a call. So for me, this is a good moment, or this is the signals or the indicators that tell me Now you can trade for a call for 1 minute. Is a risk sometimes? Yes, all the time. Trading with binary options all the time is a risk. But this is the process we need to pass to be a writable, a successful trader. So if I lost this trade, I'm gonna stop it, and I have 3 in the money and 1 out the money, and I think I'm gonna have a good results even if I lost this trade. So look at this. We are waiting for this type of opportunities. The opportunities the market's gonna give it to us with this strategy, and you're gonna be a writable trader. So the 3 indicators working for me. See, the stochastic oscillator blue line crossing, going up, the Bollinger Bands to have this beautiful candlestick telling me it's going to change the direction, and the RSI too is going up. So we increase my balance. I increase my balance today almost $2,000 on profit trading 15 minutes. So I hope this video like it. This is a short video, but it's a stronger video. This is a real money. This is the way you can move my camera. This is the way you can make money. If you want to copy my trades, remember subscribe my channel and follow me on Discord. And there you can ask about how to copy my trades or practice this strategy alone too. This is the better way you can learn. Practice, 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 practice. So I hope this video like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, activate the notification bell, and see you on the next wave.